gosh, today I'm about to learn how to bake with Sarah Michelle Gellar. I honestly have never baked anything in my life.
You're gonna be a pro by the end of today.
Okay, I'll just say this before we get started. I have to have my little fangirl moment. I wanted to be you in the 90s, and I actually want to be you more now. You're like this amazing mom killing it, and she has this amazing company called Foodstirs, which is exactly what we're gonna be using today to bake and get it done fast, because we got places to be.
So we are gonna make chocolate, coconut, chewy oat, organic granola bars from Foodstirs, and it's really, really easy. Like, you're gonna do it all yourself. Here's a trick that I like to do. Parchment paper. You put parchment paper in before you bake, cook anything, and it eliminates a lot of the grease.
Who has more of a sweet tooth, you or Freddie?
Oh, Freddie, for sure.
So does my husband.
Freddie.
What is up with men and their
You
sweet
think,
tooth?
you think it's women, but it's not.
It's not us, okay? We're innocent. Does it matter what size pan you use to bake this in? Like,
This is best in an 8-inch. Okay, so next thing, open bag.
do I use my teeth?
Yes, you use your teeth. So we're gonna pour it in.
I can do that. Yeah.
So then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of oil. You can use whatever oil you like. My family, we're big on coconut, so we like to use coconut oil for everything. And then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of water. And that's it, cold water. So I'm gonna add in the cold water while you're mixing.
What? Is baking literally always this easy? Or am I
No, but it can be and it should be, and I think that's the idea. Is you want the homemade taste, the homemade ingredients, without giving up 18 hours of your life.
Is it edible right now?
Let's bake it.
Okay, let's bake it.
Okay, pour it in.
Just like straight up.
Yeah, if you want to, you can use anything you want. If it's easier to use a scooper, by the way, also totally acceptable to use your hands. No, you're fine. And then what I like to do is you can use the spoon, you can use your hands, is you just want to flatten it a little bit. And then there's lots of things you can do too, is you can use cookie cutters when it's done. I always say kids love anything, or by the way, adults too, in a shape. It just shows that you care. And this is fun because your daughter can mix, she can pat down. By the way, totally acceptable. Tell her to use her hand.
Little fingers,
Press down.
teeny.
It's sensory. It's like learning how to feel different textures. And that's what it looks like.
OMG.
What? Okay, now watch. This is gonna be the hard work. Ready?
Uh-oh.
Putting it in the oven.
In the oven. So it's in the oven now. How long do we wait?
25 minutes.
That's how long it takes me to contour. This is great.
I know what we could do. And there you go. So you let it cool.
It smells so good.
Right? And so then once it's cooled, you pop it out. And
oh my gosh!
so that you can rinse your pan.
That is bomb.com. I'm about to cut this up and have a bake sale outside.
I've helped you become a professional baker.
Now, you teaching me acting, that's a whole nother story. We'll stick to baking. Check them out, you guys. I feel like if any of you out there struggle with baking and just being more present in the kitchen, you've got to try their brand. They have a variety of so many different fun, amazing mixes. Your family's gonna love it. If you've got a baby, they gonna love it, and I love it. So check it out and comment below and let me know if any of you guys have tried it. Thank you, Sarah, for coming and helping me today. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye.